dentistrypass.com में आपका स्वागत है। तो चलिए हम डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स का आज पार्ट 2 वीडियो पढ़ेंगे। इसके अंदर टॉपिक्स इंक्लूडेड होंगे, इंडिकेशंस हो गया, कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशंस हो गया एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ एन इम्प्लांट हो गया। अगर आपने इसका पहला वीडियो नहीं देखा है जिसके अंदर है डेफिनेशन, क्लासिफिकेशन, एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस, तो कृपया आप पहले उसको देख लीजिए। चलिए इंडिकेशंस। पहला पॉइंट है, डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स कैन बी यूज्ड टू सपोर्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोस्थेसिस, it be removable, fixed, full arch or segmental. They are particularly useful to support maxillofacial prosthesis for intra and extraoral defects. Based on the use, the primary indications for implants are as follows: partial edentulism, complete edentulism, maxillofacial defects, orthodontic tooth movements. For completely edentulous patients with advanced residual ridge resorption, where it is difficult to obtain adequate retention. For partially edentulous arches, where removable partial denture may weaken the abutment teeth and also provide reduced masticatory efficiency. For single tooth replacements, where fixed partial denture cannot be placed, patients desire. ये indications है। 3 indications और हैं, like soft tissue support, implant prosthesis offer better stability compared to soft tissue bone structure. There is improved aesthetics for both teeth and facial contours due to soft tissue support from implant supported prosthesis. अब इसका पढ़ते हैं हम डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स का कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशंस। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ क्लिनिकल कंडीशंस. हाउएवर, few systematic conditions can affect the outcome. These conditions have been grouped into relative contraindications and absolute contraindications. Now, first one is relative contraindications. These are contraindications where dental implants can be placed in milder forms of the disease and avoided in severe form of the disease. Example: HIV, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, radiotherapy, cancer surgery, smoking, cardiac disorders, blood diseases that can affect healing. Active malignancies, jawbone, carcinoma, sarcoma, leukemia, lymphoma. Absolute contraindications के अंदर क्या होता है? इसके अंदर पहला पॉइंट है, एज बिलो 17 years of age. Implant retards bone growth of the surrounding in patients under an active growth period. Point B, smoking plus radiation. Dental implant should be avoided in smokers who underwent radiotherapy. Now, parts of an implant. इसके अंदर क्या है? Implant body or fixture. The implant body is the component that is placed within the bone during first stage of surgery. Healing screw. During healing phase, this screw is normally placed in the superior surface of the body. Healing screw facilitates the suturing of soft tissues. It prevents the growth of the tissue over the edge of the implant. Healing caps. Healing caps are dome-shaped screw after the second stage of surgery and before insertion of the prosthesis. Abutments. Abutment is the part of the implant which resembles a prepared tooth and is designed to be screwed into the implant body. It is the primary component which provides retention to the prosthesis. Impression ports. It is a part of the implant that facilitates the transfers of the intraoral location to a similar position on the cast. Laboratory analogs. These are the machine structures which represent the body of the implant. During surgery, the implant body is inserted into the prepared bone cavity. Waxing sleeves. Waxing sleeves were designed to be attached to the body of the implant. They will form a part of the superstructure of the implant. Now, next point, prosthesis retaining screw. They penetrate the fixed restoration and secure it to the abutment. Implant superstructure. A superstructure is the prosthetic component fabricated over the implant after its placement. Commonly used superstructures इंक्लूड ओवर डेंचर्स, फिक्स्ड ब्रिजेस, फिक्स्ड डिटैचेबल ब्रिजेस एंड सिंगल क्राउन। इसी के साथ डेंटल इम्प्लांट आपका पार्ट 2 फिनिश होता है।